20 Incredible health benefit of Solanum TORVUM/turkey berry. 1. Treats cold. The most uncomfortable illness is flu or cold. It affects your breathing system. The syrup that's obtained from boiling the leaves and flowers is used as a treatment for the cold. 2. Treats anemia. Insufficient iron leads to loss of blood, that's anemia. This is caused by fatigue, weakness, depression, headache, and migraines. Turkey berries are rich in ions and stimulate the production of red blood cells when used to prepare food. It's rich in copper and other components that help to increase the count of red blood cells. 3. It helps improve brain function. Furthermore, Solanum TORVUM in your diet helps increase the blood flow in your brain. That it helps transport a higher amount of oxygen to your noggin, which enhances memory and analytic thought. Since it's rich in a lot of nutrients, it helps protect the brain against disease and toxins that may have caused damage to the brain. It also promotes blood flow. 4. It helps reduce weight. Weight loss is one of the most important things in human life in this era. People spend a lot of time at the gym trying to reduce weight. By eating Solanum TORVUM, it helps facilitate weight loss. This is because it has low calories and rich in fiber and other nutrients. 5. Regulate menstruation. Menstrual irregularity among women is one of the disturbing situations in their life. Adding Solanum TORVUM to their food helps regulate their menstrual cycle. You can also blend and drink it regularly. 6. Treatment of erectile dysfunction. This is a disturbing moment among men when they are on age but can't have an erection because there's a disorder of connector neurons between the central nervous in the brain and the nerves in the penis. Adding turkey berry to our diet can help the blood to flow from the bloodstream to the penis. It helps fix neurological damage in the connector neuron. 7. Treatment of diabetes. Consuming turkey berry helps in treating diabetes. It helps lower blood sugar levels. 8. Improves heart function. Turkey berry contains a lot of fiber, vitamins, and other nutrients which help improve the functioning of the heart. It helps to lower heart disease, which leads to death. 9. It aids in digestion. Turkey berry contains a lot of dietary fibers to aid our digestive system. Consuming Solanum TORVUM helps ease digestion because it contains very little fat. It enables the body to easily process foods and supports the absorption of nutrients. 10. It helps improves pregnancy. Expectant mothers always want to see their baby in their arms because it makes them feel relief after delivery. Due to complications, you might lose the baby. Consuming Solanum TORVUM helps protect infants from defection and diseases within the neural tube. 11. It helps improve bone function. Turkey berry is rich in vitamins, copper and other nutrients. It helps improve osteoporosis and bone degradation. It helps increase bone mineral density and strength. 12. Improves immune system. Solanum TORVUM helps strengthen our immune system because it contains a lot of vital nutrients that the body needs to function properly. The antiviral and antimicrobial properties help protect the body from infection. 13. Treatment of malaria. Traditionally, when one is suffering from malaria, the roots of Solanum TORVUM are boiled, lime juice is added and the whole bottle is drunk as a treatment for malaria. This is a very effective relief in treating malaria. 14. Treatment of toothache. Toothache is pain or inflammation in or around the tooth, often caused by tooth infection that leads to decay or infection. When you pound the root of the Solanum TORVUM and insert it into the cavity of the decayed tooth, it helps relieve the pain. 15. Treatment of abnormal pain. It's pain from inside of the abdomen or the outer muscle wall, ranging from mild and temporary to severe and requiring emergency care. Consuming turkey berries helps in treating stomach aches. It helps in neutralizing the acid in the stomach. This is important for healing gastric ulcers. 16. Reduce cancer. The extract of Solanum TORVUM helps protect against lung cancer. This is because it contains an antibacterial and antifungal component that helps stop excessive cell growth. 17. Treatment of eye problem. Solanum TORVUM contains vitamin that is very good for eye development. This helps improve eyesight. 18. Treatment of weakness. The juice or the syrups obtained from boiling the root is used to treat vomiting caused by weakness. 19. Treatment of wounds. This is the best medicine for treating wounds and other skin infections or diseases. Blend the leaves and apply them to the wounds. 20. Treatment of asthma. Turkey berry has been proven to be effective in treating asthma. Juice or syrup obtained from boiling the leaves. It's used as water by the patient.